Welcome to the Virtual DJ Getting Started series. In this video, we'll show you some more of the advanced techniques on using the Virtual DJ browser. This includes highlighting the different sections of the browser, how to add, search your library, and setting your search options, highlight the side view, and finally, using the Info tab. So, let's get started. Now, the browser section in Virtual DJ is located in the bottom half of the screen and consists of the following sections: the browser side toolbar, the folder browser, the track and file browser, the side view, and the Info tab. Now, any of these sections can be size adjusted to suit your preference. Simply click and drag on a section divider line to resize the section. You can also quickly hide and show some sections by clicking on its tab. Folder browser section allows you to browse various location sources on your computer. The local music section will display the music and movies folders of your user account from the internal drive. Clicking on any parent folder will also expand and show any subfolders and their contents in the center of the track browser window. If you have a parent folder with many subfolders and wish to view everything, then simply right-click on the parent folder and select Recurse. Virtual DJ will now display all the subfolder contents in the track browser section. Additional sources you can access from the folder browser include any external hard drives that are currently connected, your computer's desktop area, crates or playlists from other popular DJ software if installed, iTunes or Apple Music playlists if you're on a Mac, the sampler folder which contains all of your sample banks, and finally, a CDJ export folder that allows you to create flash drives for Pioneer standalone players. Below the local music folder is the online music folder that contains all online sources such as Cloud Drive, where you can upload folders or lists of popular services like iCloud and Dropbox and access them from anywhere or from another computer. Below the Cloud Drive folder are all the available online subscription sources like our own iDJ audio pool, VJ Pro video catalog, karaoke catalogs depending on your current geographic location, all third-party services like Deezer, Tidal, SoundCloud, Beatport, and BeatSource. The last folder is the offline cache folder. Here is where all of your downloaded tracks for offline play from the catalogs can be found, and this is provided that the service and your membership allows for downloading. The next folder is the Ideas folder. Now, the first subfolder in the Ideas folder is the Charts folder, where you can view various charts from many different sources, like our own VDJ community, Beatport, iTunes, and more. The Genius DJ folder offers smart track suggestions based on what thousands of our community DJs play. Simply drag and drop tracks into this folder for ideas. Ask the DJ is an online feature that allows your audience to send requests and comments via any mobile device, as well as adding tips. Below Ask the DJ is your History folder, which contains all of your past events organized by date. The last folder is the Filters folder. Now, filters dynamically organize your collection and display them for you. Many popular filters are included for you, and you can also create your own filters based on your preferences. Now, once you have located a desired source of tracks, you can see the contents of the source in the middle track browser section. Now, this section allows you to sort, search your library, and display and hide tag field information. To sort your tracks by a tag field, simply click on the tag field header column. Virtual DJ will now display the tracks alphanumerically by that field. Clicking on the header column again, and Virtual DJ will now display the tracks reverse alphanumerically. You can also resize the column widths by clicking on the divider lines and dragging left to right. Now, to rearrange the tag column fields, simply click on the field header and drag and drop to the left or right. Now, to choose which tag field columns you wish to show or hide, right-click on the header row and check which fields you wish to see and uncheck the ones that you don't. To search for songs in your library and other sources, simply enter your query in the search bar. Virtual DJ will then display results from the currently selected source above the divider line and display matching results from other areas below. Now, clicking on the radio button to the right of the search bar will display the search options menu. Here you can select what sources you wish for Virtual DJ to search, as well as define what tag fields and other information Virtual DJ should search in. Next to the browser is the side view, which features multiple panes that you can select from the bottom. First is a side list, which you can use to hold tracks that you might want to play in your set. The Remix tab will show alternate remixes of the currently highlighted track in the track list. It can also be set to show similar tracks, show recommended next tracks, and show tracks that you can manually link to the highlighted track. Additional options allow you to select which online sources provide results, as well as set the results to your local database instead of the community. The sampler allows you to trigger various audio and video clips. The auto mix pane allows you to add tracks and have Virtual DJ play them automatically. The karaoke pane is where you can create and run karaoke rotations, and the clone feature allows you to create a pane based on the current source that you have selected in the folder browser. And finally, you can click here to select to show or hide any of the tabs in the side view. The Info tab on the browser will give you an in-depth look on the track that is currently highlighted. Notice how the Info tab changes as you click around and select tracks. Additionally, if you have a multi-channel sound card, you can use the Info tab to preview the highlighted track without having to load into a deck. You can also quickly rate a track with the 5-star system. And finally, back on the left side of the skin is the browser side toolbar. Here you can create shortcuts to any of your folders, filters, or other elements and select a custom icon. Now clicking on these and VirtualDJ will instantly jump to that area in the folder browser. You can also click here to access the browser options menu and also use the font resizer to increase or decrease the font size, and also enable the browser zoom mode if you need extra space while browsing. If you want to learn more about some of the features that we just touched on, then we invite you to take a look at our online manual on VirtualDJ.com. That'll do it for this Getting Started video. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series as you too get to know your way around VirtualDJ.